Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo how to make cute baby shower gifts. You could also use the same method for wedding favors or party favors. These are some very healthy and lush looking succulents. So we planted them in simple terracotta containers, and we have different succulents here. This one, my sister's going to show you. This one is a crash of bride's bouquets. It has pink flowers. We also have a string of pearls, a campfire. This is a red velvet. And let me show you what she's doing. She's basically, we use simple like paper holders. This is actually can be used for like storing French fries. And then she put these cute little stickers that she got from Amazon and simply put it on this paper holder. And we simply, she's going to show you what she's doing. She's going to basically insert it into the holder. And it's, you can see how pretty that is, and it sticks up really nicely. And we're going to hand this out at our cousin's baby shower. So these are quite easy to make. First, you plant it in a terracotta container such as this. There's another one here my sister's showing you. This is a watch. And before you put it in the holder, you want to put the stickers on, and then just simply insert it in this cute little holder. So these are great ideas that you can do yourself and make your own party favors or baby shower gifts or wedding favors. Thank you for watching.